Hi everyone, welcome once again to my channel Bitching. I received the influencer most reviewed, top rated, best in beauty box. I did pay for this box. It was not complimentary, it was not given to me to review, but yeah, I couldn't wait. Apparently this received a lot of reviewers choices awards. So yeah, let's start. Oh, the reason why I'm not showing my face tonight is not because pajamas or anything. It's just one huge box, and I wanted you to be as surprised as I am myself. Let's see. Oh my soul, oh my soul. Let's put away scissors. So, oh, it opens. Ooh. Okay. Oh, so it actually states how many stars it got, how many reviews it got each product. Oh, and it does prices too. Awesome! I guess this is everything we get. Skincare, makeup, hair care on the back. Awesome. Let's do this. So, chuck away. Chuck it away there. Where's the... We're missing a lid. Oh, found it. Something leaked. I guess this came out. It's a dry shampoo. Fruity neon. Let's test. Oh, it has a fruity smell. Awesome. Well, as you can see, just for further explanation, we do not receive samples in this box. This is everything full-size products. So this is what you get if you pay full price, or rather if you purchase it online. Two-way hairspray. I don't use hairspray, so I guess if anyone's interested, I'll put this up. Yeah, I don't really use it, and I don't like to waste, so I'll put that in our box for this month. What do we have here? Translucent. Oh, remember we had this as a sample in, I think it was a Ipsy, and now we have the full size. Awesome. Is this just a translucent? Does it have a shimmer? This is just a translucent. Can you see that? Wait, there we go. Awesome. What is its price? It's 23 US. I guess, okay, I don't know the, yeah, I don't know the brand, but I guess it must be awesome. Must be high. Unique. Moodstruck Epic Mascara. Where's my scissors? I'm just so excited. Come on. Does it have a color? Is it just black? Just says mascara. Let's see. Ooh, the wand is different than the usual. Awesome wand. I guess it's black. Awesome. The mascara retails at, I guess it's not on here. Mascara. It doesn't have a price. I guess if we, yeah. What do we have here? So we have EOS or EOS. Where are you on our list? Can't find you. Travel size shaving cream. We have, oh, it's a shaving cream. It's a travel size. Hydration. Oh, it's pomegranate flavor. See? Awesome. It doesn't have a seal on it, so I'm a little skeptical. Yeah, let's see. Are these all extra samples? Oh no, they're not samples. This is the Miracle Complexion Sponge from Real Techniques. I have heard of it. Yeah, see, it even works with BB creams. Usually when you get a complexion sponge, it does not work with the BB cream. It soaks everything up. Apparently this one is just amazing. It, yeah, rounded for blending, flat edge for contouring. It's, yeah, apparently the bomb. Let me see if I can put that down. Come on, it doesn't want to open. Here we go. Ooh, it's squishy. Oh, it's even branded. I just love things when they actually brand the things. But yeah, now I get why people are actually saying this is the best. The Good Jeans, this is a full size. I can't think that this is a full size. So this is a one, oh, it's a one treatment only. Can you focus on that? It's a lactic acid treatment. I'm not going to open this. I do, as you all, if you have seen my video of Optify, I do have my acid peels with them, so I'll put that in a box, giveaway box. Ooh, anti-tox. I love masks, especially for those girls' nights. Put that down. It's a volcanic clay one. Ooh, a hair mask. Scalp scrub. I have never heard of a scalp scrub for your, I mean, have you? But this I will try. This is, yeah, amazing. Let's see what we have. Cooler classic sunscreen. So just a normal sunscreen. Apparently this has white tea organic sunscreen lotion. Apparently it feels like water on your skin. Oh, I love the packaging, don't you? Sorry, I'm forgetting the distance of my camera, so I keep on going too close. But I love the packaging. We will be doing this, using it. I guess I should go a little faster, hey? This is another dry shampoo from Amica. I can't open it. Oh, it's sealed. It's a travel size. I guess it will be a toss-up between them and Batista, between these two, of which goes into this month's box. Not sure. I like this, but I like this. So let's see which one goes where. Here we have, yeah, ginseng refreshing eye cream. I got one of these in a previous box. They have discontinued. I can't remember their name, but anyway, I have this. So this will go into a this month's box. Yeah, this is a brightening and deep puff eye cream. So yeah, apparently very good. So let's see. Another mascara, a Kate Von D lipstick in Lolita. Oh, it's a gorgeous color, and Kate Von D is a very expensive brand, so it's a must. Not my shade, but I do love it. Maybe my sister will wear that. Let's see. Who's this big one? Love, Beauty and Planet. Shampoo. Oh, this is a surprise product. That's so sweet. So apparently the entire brand got named for best during review by all reviewers, and I got the shampoo in this one. How awesome is that? It's vegan, it contains coconut oil, butter. I think this is just awesome. I love the packaging. Most of these products, I guess, that are reviewed and best by reviewers and got the awards are actually gorgeous packaging. I have this. We got this in a Ipsy, Sephora, sorry. We got this in a Sephora, so I will be putting this one in a giveaway box. It's a dry shampoo, and yeah, we're giving away a luxury trip for 2. I will put this in. Maybe you can win. It's the Purity Facial Cleanser. I have the same size as well. Sephora got one from them, but I'll put this away as well. This is honestly, except for Optify that I use, this is one of the others that you hardly feel on your face. When you put it on, it's not that dry, icky feeling that you get that you need to put, you know, a lot of lotion on just to get hydrated again. So another one. Okay. Vouchers. Let's see what we have here. It's actually packed very carefully. Ooh, it's a sea salt spray. So even though I don't stay at the coast, how awesome. I can look like I stay at the coast. We'll be trying that. Oh, it has started to leak. Daily moisturizer, natural gradient, flawless natural. I guess this is a tint. Oh, it says it does not contain the sun. It's not the sunless tanner. Well, it does seem like it. Fair to medium skin tones. So does it not change? Natural daily moisturizer. Oh, let's see. Is it open? Well, I guess it's just a moisturizer. Here we go. Doesn't show a glow or anything. Oh, and it smells divine. Let's see. The Tree Hut Sugar Scrub. Let's smell it. Let us smell. Oh my word. If we could just have a smelly camera. This has an awesome coconut smell. You do smell the lime a little, but it has that, you just want to stay at the beach with this. It's that holiday smell, shall we say. What do we have here? It's another refreshing eye cream. Oh, this is a sample size of this one. Ta-da! I guess I'll split it into 2 different boxes so that we just fair, you know. Let's see. I got a sample of this. I was so hoping that I'll get a bigger one. This is amazing. After you put up your makeup or put on your makeup, you finish it with a finishing spray, and this lasts for hours. Usually when I use a finishing spray, it you know, takes away my foundation. It just ruins everything. So that one is amazing. Dry skin cream. I think we have this at most of our stores, and once again, I don't use this, so I will be putting it in a box. Let's see, makeup. No? Ooh. We go. Oh, it's a gorgeous pack. Quite the same as in the previous one from what's it called? Sugar Face Sugar. The Kelly Chick. See? I think it's got a lot of the same shades. Don't you think? I think. Not quite, hey? But it's in the same range, I think. I will sample it. I will review it. I will do what I can with it, but it looks awesome. I love the shades. I'm more natural, as you know, so yeah. Super Shock Shadow. It's a setting powder. Oh no, it is not. Where is this? Colourpop Super Shock Eyeshadow. There's also no price for it on our reviewers list. So let's see. Oh my soul. Oh, look at that pigment. It's got gorgeous pigmentation. Honestly. If I could, I'd buy this again and give it away as a Christmas present. So this is a highlighter cream, a highlight powder, vanilla quartz from Becca Cosmetics. Ooh, look at the nice design. Don't you just love it? I love chic things. So this is a shimmering skin perfect pressed highlighter. Let me just close that part. Once again, I get why people rave about it. The pigmentation, look there. You can swipe as you like. It sticks. This is amazing. One more to go. So this is a highlight powder as well. Wet n Wild Beauty. It's a highlight powder as well. I'm not sure if I should open it. Yeah, I think I might just put this in a box as well. I already have one, so why open it and waste it for someone else? So yeah, yay! There we go, guys. That concludes my unveiling or unboxing of my influencer subscription. Well, it's not a subscription box. It's, yeah, they had a huge box that they gave away. Geez, me stumbling on my words. The Best in Beauty box, sorry. The influencer Best in Beauty box. My unveiling. So yeah, if you watch this, like, subscribe, and tune in. I will be doing a giveaway again. I forgot to do a recording of the previous one. I'll try and do a recording of the next. Thanks, guys. Bye.